So in this video, we're going to discuss exactly where to find high converting affiliate offers. So one thing to keep in mind, there's hundreds of affiliate networks out there. But what you should know is that most affiliate networks, they had a core product that they originally started with. Some networks actually, they specialize in certain verticals and niches. For example, Cash Network, they actually specialize in the make money online industry. Convert2Media, they actually specialize in health offers, skin offers, and trial offers. So different networks actually specialize in different verticals and different products. Although Cash Network, I can go to Cash Network, I can promote a real estate offer, I can promote various different offers. Now keep in mind, every network has high converting offers that work better in that network. Now I'll give you an example. A4D.com, they're actually an affiliate network. Whenever you join into A4D, you'll actually see in that affiliate network that they have a lot of real estate offers. So one way we can actually start looking for these high converting offers is A, by joining into these networks and touching base with our affiliate managers. B, we can actually go to a site called OfferVault and start researching to see what networks have offers we may be interested in. And lastly, the last way to find high converting offers is to do manual spying. And that'll be in the next module. I'll be diving into how to do manual spying. So now let's just say you want to promote on Facebook ads. When we start to do our manual spying for our health product or our weight loss product, we're going to start seeing which offers are pretty popular for most affiliates who are in the traffic source that we want to use and promoting the offer that we want. So once we go to Facebook or Bing or Google, we'll start to see by typing in keywords and spying on our competitors to see what offers are pretty popular. 9 times out of 10, there's going to be multiple affiliates promoting that same offer. So that's one key indicator to know that that offer is going to be a high converting offer. So I'm going to dive into my screen and I'm going to share a couple strategies that you can do to start looking for high converting offers. So in this short video, we're going to discuss about A4D, Convert2Media, and what makes a high converting offer. So now that you've seen affiliate networks and you've probably just applied to a few of the networks, I want to talk about different networks. Every network that you can promote, some of these networks specialize in certain verticals. Now I'll give you an example. Convert2Media. That network primarily has skin, health, and trial offers, but they still have other options that you can promote, such as binary options and Forex. They do have some of those products in the network. Now, as an example, Cash Network, they have all-around products that you can actually promote. Now, another one we can add to the list, we can add Max Bounty. They're also an all-around network that has products that you can promote in different verticals. So the reason I share that with you is that, for example, Cash Network may have an exclusive offer that we can promote with them directly. They may own a brain boosting product. They may be direct with the advertiser. So what does that mean? So what Cash Network can do is that they can have networks such as Max Bounty come to Cash Network to get this brain specific offer. So you may not know which offers are like that exactly, but once you start to join the networks and speak with your affiliate managers, you'll start to know what they call network exclusive. When there's a network exclusive offer, typically that network is the only network that has it, and they let other networks use that offer. I'll show you an example. Right here we're in GrabAds Media from earlier, and if we look right here, JetPro X, this is most likely a network exclusive to GrabAds Media. So now with that being said, let's just talk about Brain, for example. This is another vertical that we can promote in. So you may see right here, 2 offers are paying $32. Once you start to make affiliate sales, once you choose the product and you start to make affiliate sales, you can actually message your affiliate manager and ask for a pay bump. So this $32 that they pay you, you can end up probably getting $34, $36. Some of them will fight you tooth and nail where you may have to start sending your quality traffic. So you may not be able to get one until after 10 or 20 sales. But I want you to know that's an option. Everything's negotiable in the networks. They're able to pay you more. So once you start to bring them consistent sales, ask for a pay bump on the product that you're promoting. So now we want to know high converting offers. So we know we want to promote in the brain niche. We can start to see that we're being paid $32, $24. We can head right over to OfferVault and we can type in Brain Boost. And then what you want to do is also type in different keywords. See right here we see, let's just see, Enhance Mind IQ. I believe Above Offers has this one also. You see Max Bounty has a Brain Boost offer. But we can look through here and start to see how much they're actually paying for these brain conversions. Some of them are trials and some of them are cost per sale. For example, let's just check it out. This offer here that I was looking at, Cerebral X, that one pays roughly $50 per sale. So let's just look right here. This landing page actually looks really good, really convincing, nothing too scammy to me, but this offer to me would convert well. In the future video, I'm going to show you exactly what makes a good offer and a bad offer, and we're going to dive deep more into that. Lastly, now let's just say you're in GrabAds Media. What you want to start doing is messaging your affiliate manager, sending them an email on Skype preferably. Email responding to their Gmail is really slow, so always aim to Skype them. Send them an email and just say, hey, I'm interested promoting in the brain vertical. What are the top 3 highest converting offers? And now remember, each network, let's go to dashboard. Each network, if we look on the side, they have EPCs on the side. This is just a good rule of thumb of what the average EPC is for the offer, but this isn't entirely accurate. For example, I've seen offers right here that say 59 cents EPC, and I'm getting $4 EPCs. $4 per click for every visitor I land on that page. So don't pay too much into this right here, 55 cents, 65 cents. You really have to test the offer to find out the true EPC. They can help you by giving you what the top 3 offers are that are converting, but it's always good once one of them starts to make you money, you start to test between a couple of them. So in this niche, the brain, I would test this $32 per sale if it was to the United States. And then I could also test the next one that's at $32 per sale. Once I get about 10 sales on each, I'll be able to see which one's making me money. So we can start finding out which is the highest converting brain offer in the network that we're promoting. Now, one last thing I want to touch base on. GrabAds Media may have this Cerebral X. Above All Offers and Max Bounty may have the same offer. They all may pay $32. Once you start to get your campaigns converting, test Max Bounty, test GrabAds Media, and start to see which network is giving you more conversions for your clicks. See you in the next video.